What's up, guys? So right now it's like 6 in the morning. I haven't slept yet. I have a doctor's appointment at 10:30, so I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna try to take a quick nap, and I'm gonna see you guys later. The vlog is back. I'm back. I'm feeling better. I'm back. Don't worry, I got a story to tell you guys anyway. So, alright, see y'all later. So guys, I'm about to go to the doctor's office right now. I'm with the babies. So just give it to him? Alright, so I'm about to go to the doctor right now. So I got a haircut. The last one of y'all was trying to get on me. I got a haircut and Waves is there. You heard? Anyways, yeah. So I'm about to go to the doctor, handle this situation, because supposedly my insurance canceled me. Don't know why. My health insurance, but we're gonna handle that. And we're gonna go and get a car wash. It's nice outside today. It is nice out. Look, the sun is out. So, yeah, let's get to it. So, we here. Hey. Hey. Anyway. Yeah, so we here. Brush up real quick, you know what I'm saying? About to go in there. Put my name in there. I'll see y'all when we get inside. So I'm in here waiting for the doctor to call me in. So, oh, there goes my doctor walking by right now. Anyways, yeah. So my insurance canceled my health insurance, put me under restriction and already canceled me. But still, I'm gonna find out what's going on. I'm taking it home.
Jayla? Oh, okay, thank you. Okay.
They didn't call me, I thought they was gonna call me. Yeah, so I'm taking y'all with me. So I'm in the room waiting for the doctor. And their scales don't work. Every scale say I gained 50 pounds in the last 2 days. Come on, really? 50 pounds in the last 2 days? That's crazy. So I'm waiting for the doctor. Got me some water, you know, my thirsty ass. I see y'all. I just left the doctor, walking to the whip. Basically, being handled and situated. Look at that side right there. That shit clean.
Fresh out the bed. Get out the bed. Fresh out the bed.
Where's here? Wilbur's here, guys. We got a new car. I'm about to go beat the shit up with it. Percocet. Molly Percocet. Hey. Say hi. Alright, y'all. Y'all haven't seen Wilbur in so long. Say what up. Record me. Record you? That's what I'm driving again. I miss driving the stick so much. Right, sir.
I'm a top punches, I'm so used to this. Smoking at the pound, I'm so used to this. I know where I'm from, but I got used to this. Mansion in the hills, I got used to this. Psycho booty bitches, I got used to this.
up, y'all? So, that's where we at. Tropical Boothie. We got Tropical Boothie. Driving Uber's a new car. See? All my niggas love stick. Like, you can't just not drive stick, you feel me? It's impossible, right? Yeah. Impossible. We about to get something to eat. Liddy. We're waiting for our food, y'all. I'm trying to convince Wilbur to put coilovers in his car. That shit loud as hell, bro. Who's that, Ronnie? Get that shit out of here. Maracha band ass nigga. See, I was getting on me about my haircut in the last video. Yeah, so we waiting for our food.
I can even do the layaway plan thing in the project.
Come on, bro. You got enough money. You don't have to do that shit. Our food came. Look at that. I'm about to devour this shit. But I'm gonna get back to y'all. You say it. So we just finished eating. That shit didn't fill me nor Wilbur up. We still hungry. But what you trying to do now?
What time is it?
Like 5:18. I know you see them waves up there though. I'm all the way up. Wilbur's driving now. Boy! Ooh, look at that. The light on my waves though. Like. Alright, what's up guys? I fell asleep and I went out again, the camera died, I didn't feel like vlogging. So I'm gonna just end the vlog here. It's like 4 in the morning right now. The vlog wasn't that long. There wasn't much going on today, but we're gonna get back on track. There's more videos coming. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Let me know what's up. Peace.